Hi, I am Ijaz. Welcome to my YouTube channel AI Design 99. On here, I'll take you through my walk in the graphic design career, giving you an in-depth and personal perspective of working within graphic design. I'm a professional graphic designer specializing in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and XD. Follow my channel to get latest videos on graphics. Let's start this tutorial, how to use Mockup in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Google Chrome. Search freepik.com. Search mobile template. PSD. Download any mockup. Extract file. Open PSD file. Go to Layers. If you don't have, then go to Window. Layers. Double-click Smart Object. Export any image. Now then, all phone layers change same as phone layer 1. If you want more weekly updates on graphic designing related, then don't forget to click subscribe. Change background color. Second way to easy use template. First of all, to lock first two layers. Then click Object and change image.